Welcome back to my channel. Alright, what do I do with this thing? Runs good. Bad exhaust leak. Turbo's probably not even spinning. I think it's right underneath the driver's side bank. This truck's hammered. But somebody must have put a motor in it. It's got zero blow-by. My dually has more blow-by than this thing. Sounds like the vacuum pump's making noise. Oil pressure's good. No check engine light. Tach doesn't work, probably because of the wire on the alternator. Somebody probably replaced the alternator and didn't put the right plug or the right alternator back on it. This thing's hammered. Full floating rear. Nice tailgate latch. Does anybody want any parts off this truck? I'm probably going to use reuse a lot of stuff. But the motor's good. You know, a little bit of heat. I'll let it. It's full on coolant. Wasn't low on coolant. I topped it off, but it was right there. The radiator was full. It's not rock hard, so I'm not suspecting any head gasket or anything. Just not missing a beat. I have the factory air cleaner top. Keep them stocked. Alright. 4L80E in this truck. It does move. Oil's not sludgy. Yeah, I have a feeling that vacuum pump's gonna go soon. Alright. Just a short video. What should I do with this thing? Use the motor for parts maybe. Alright. See you in my upcoming video.